Welcome learners to Unacademy Computer Science YouTube channel. So my name is Shweta Kumari. I'm Unacademy verified educator under GATE CSIT category. So you can follow my complete courses for GATE on Unacademy Learning app. And yes, in this video I'm going to tell you how to prepare for GATE 2023 in just 7 months. So as you know, just 7 months left for your GATE 2023 exam. So it's a peak time from where you should start your preparation, and if you are late than this, then you are not going to prepare for GATE 2023 in very easy way. So if you want to prepare for GATE 2023, just start your preparation now so that you can spend 4 to 5 hours daily and you can prepare it easily and you don't have any overhead at the end of the exam. And yes, in first 5 months of preparation, you should focus on concept building, problem solving skills and knowledge bearing. So it will be more helping you in the last 2 months for GATE, so that you will have a good practice on the concepts that you have learned before in your 5 months preparation. And also you should knowing this thing that in first 5 months of preparation, whatever you can do in the subject completion, just do. If you are not able to complete all the subjects, that is also good, but if you are able to complete all the subjects, that is super good. So try to complete all the subjects for GATE in first 5 months. If you are able to do, then it's good, I am saying. But if you are not able to do, don't extend this 5 months preparation to complete your syllabus, because in the last 2 months your focus should be only on mock test and revision. So your GATE syllabus should be covered by November month. You should start taking mock test from December month, and your whole December month should be mock test month. Okay, so start taking mock test as much as you can in December month after completing the syllabus. And in January month you should focus on revision of the concepts that you have learned in 5 months, revision of the concepts that you have built it from mock test, revise the formulae, revise all the GATE previous year questions, that is from GATE 2000 to GATE 2022. So it will give you a better idea that how will be the type of the questions in the GATE 2023, and definitely this way you can prepare for GATE easily. If you want to prepare for GATE with best resources, with best educators, with best quality of practice questions and quality doubts, then you must subscribe Unacademy Plus. And today there is an offer also ongoing. Today is the last date of the offer also, where you can get extension months offer on Unacademy Plus subscription. Like if you subscribe for 6 months, you will get 1 month free. If you subscribe for 9 months, you will get 2 months free. As only 7 months left for GATE preparation, I would like to recommend you for 6 plus 1 month subscription offer, which is only available till today. So 6 months plus you will be getting 1 month free. This subscription will help you to cover your entire syllabus till GATE 2023 with perfect revision and mock test also. So in Unacademy Plus subscription, you will be getting the practice courses, revision courses and mock test also after the complete syllabus completion for GATE. So I think this subscription will help you more in your preparation. And because if you learn from free resources, it will be very difficult for you to collect all the free resources and then learn it. But if you subscribe Unacademy Plus, you will have the content on your hand, and just you start gathering it, you just start taking knowledge from it, and it will save your time to a great extent. And saving time in GATE exam preparation is very important, because the more time you give in practice, the more will be the rank you will be getting in order to get into IITs. Obviously the rank should be good, so that you can get into IITs. And yes, that is why subscribe for Unacademy Plus today. If you want to prepare for just GATE 2023, go for 6 plus 1 month subscription. If you want to prepare for PSUs after GATE preparation, so you must go for 9 months plus 2 offer, that is 11 months learning, but you need to pay only for 9 months. So this will be helping you to prepare for PSUs also after GATE, because after GATE there will be PSUs exams also, and for this students take separate subscription and spend lot of money on that. It's not going to help you if you are spending money separately after the GATE. It's better to take the subscription longer duration so that it will help you for multiple purposes. And so that's why you should go for 9 plus 2 month subscription. And if you want to prepare for GATE 2024, then you should subscribe Unacademy for 18 months plus, where you will be getting 4 months extension. So that means 22 months left for GATE 2024. So you can prepare for this GATE 2024 by taking Unacademy subscription for 18 months plus. So use my referral code HelloSonu01 so that you can get maximum discount on Unacademy Plus subscription. And also you can get this offer by today, because by today this offer is valid. And must use my referral code so that you can get all the personal materials by me free with Unacademy subscription. Personal materials like 350 single revision pages book, which is the best revision book for GATE CSIT. By using this book you can revise the whole GATE syllabus in 2 days only. Okay. And 3500 plus practice questions book, that will help you to practice more and more for GATE, because the more you practice, the more good rank you will be having in your GATE. And you will also get 63 books unit wise complete notes and 200 plus previous year question subject wise book. So use this referral code HelloSonu01. Must take the screenshot of it that you have taken subscription using this referral code. Subscribe today, students, because if you are late than this, it is not possible. Okay, so yes, it is not possible to get into top 5 IITs. Yes, if you are late than this, you can get lower NITs, you can get triple ITs, but you can never get top 5 IITs with only 6 or 5 months preparation. For that you need to increase your hours per day. And if you are like if you can spend 10 hours 12 hours a day, definitely you can do it in 4 to 5 months also. But if you are like, no, I can spend only 4 hours a day, normal person usually do 5 hours per day, then and over smart people will think, no, I can spend 4 to 5 months in preparation by just learning 2 hours per day. So it's not possible, students, because GATE exam requires your time in order to gather more knowledge. Because the more knowledge you'll be having, the more concepts you'll be having, the more easier it will be to solve the problems in GATE. Thank you so much, and let's crack it.